And we have some news just coming in this evening. A massive dust storm has hit Mumbai city. The Indian Met Department has issued a warning. Thunderstorm accompanying with lightning and light to moderate spells of rain with gusty winds reaching 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, occurring at isolated places in the districts of Mumbai. During the next 2 to 4 hours was the warning. Take precautions while moving out, says the Indian Met Department. These are pictures of the dust storm that has hit Mumbai. Not just one, several of them. Vidya is getting asked more details. Vidya, what has the Indian Met Department said and what do you really see around you? Just tell us what's happening in Bombay.
Well, earlier in the day, the Meteorological Department had put out this kind of warning. If you can see, it just says light rain, thunderstorm. It just says very lightning. There's no mention of very high wind speed or very high rain, but you can look outside right now. It's raining extremely heavily, and it is now after the dust storm has just passed away over the city. It came from the suburban side of the Mumbai area, went towards the southern tip. It just passed across this entire city, and it's now that the Meteorological Department has said that there will be heavy rainfall and that for the next 3 to 4 hours people have to take precaution, not move out, because there is heavy thundering and lightning that is accompanied with the heavy rainfall that is suddenly started now. The temperature has certainly gone down. Earlier in the day it was pretty hot, but suddenly it feels very cold right now. Just standing outside in this heavy wind, it's extremely heavy, and the wind is very high. We did see a lot of with the dust storm. We saw a lot of people's tin sheds that were placed on and quite a few homes that were being blown apart. It was that high speed at which the wind was blowing. But right now, the rains have started across the entire city. It's raining very heavily. And that's one of the reasons why the Meteorological Department has said that for the next 3 to 4 hours, people have to take precaution, not move out until unless it is extremely urgent for them to really move out.
Yeah, any information just yet, because you did speak about the fact that this can be risky. So any information on anyone hurt, given that the wind speeds are very high? Similarly, just a few days ago, a situation similar in Delhi, in the National Capital Region. We saw that people were injured in the dust storms here. The authorities are still trying to assess as to whether any damages have occurred. But with this high wind speed that we did just witnessed, heavy trees would have fallen, and that's one of the reasons why the authorities have asked people to make sure that they do not move out. Because remember, in this heavy wind, especially heavy lightning and thundering that's happening, there are chances that people can be hit with extremely high wind, whether trees fall down or when the lightning strikes. Either of it can be very dangerous, and that's one of the reasons why the Meteorological Department at this juncture is asking people not to really move out. But as of now, whether any incidences have been accounted for, well, we really can't say much, because until and unless there is any kind of data that is collected from across the city. But the kind of wind speed that we witnessed, it does seem like there would have been certainly some incidences of uprooting of trees and some untoward incidences like these. All right. Waiting to hear from the authorities on what really happened. But these are dust storms that Vidya is reporting on from Mumbai city. There are pictures, in fact, that have gone now viral on your screens. Vidya, thanking you for the moment.